Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 brand new RYOBI tools built to boost power, performance, and innovation. Get ready to see what's new for your next project. Rolling Storage System. The RYOBI Link Rolling Storage System is a durable, weather-resistant, and modular solution for storing and transporting tools, craft supplies, and gear. Its interlocking design allows toolboxes, crates, and organizers to stack securely, while large all-terrain wheels and a strong telescopic handle make it easy to move. Mitre Saw. The RYOBI 1,200-watt compound. Mitre Saw is designed for clean, precise cutting with its powerful 1,200 watts motor and 210mm TCT blade spinning at 5,000 RPM. It features a patented overmold grip for secure handling and adjustable cutting capacity for different tasks. Impact Driver. Tired of weak drivers that give up mid-job? Meet the 4-mode impact driver, packing 300 Newton-meters of torque and 4,000 impacts per minute. Its auto-assist, LED light, and belt clip keep things smart and handy. Compatible with all 18-volt 1+ batteries, it's the little powerhouse that means serious business. Rotary Tool Station. The Rotary Tool Station is a versatile, compact tool for craft, DIY, and repair tasks. It comes with 35 accessories for sanding, cutting, grinding, engraving, polishing, and drilling, and includes a 92-centimeter flex shaft for precise work in tight spaces. Track Saw. This brushless track saw from RYOBI delivers precise, controlled cuts with a powerful brushless motor and up to 4,300 RPM. It features adjustable depth control, bevel cuts from -1 degree to 48 degrees, and a 1 15/16" cutting depth at 90 degrees. Using the included 27.5-inch tracks, it provides smooth, accurate score and plunge cuts. Jet Blower. The 200 CFM jet blower delivers up to 145 kilometers per hour air velocity, efficiently clearing leaves and grass from driveways and paved areas. Lightweight and easy to handle, it features a lock-on switch, long blower tube, and integrated feet for stability. The included 2 amp-hour battery and 1.5 amp charger are compatible with the full 1+ system. Pet Stick Vacuum. The Pet Stick Vacuum features 2 power modes, an LED light for visibility, and a roller bar with on-off control for delicate surfaces. Its removable 0.5-liter dust cup and reusable HEPA filter make cleanup easy, while cordless convenience allows it to convert to a handheld vacuum for cars, stairs, pet hair, and upholstery. RYOBI Link Wall Rail. The Link wall rails provide customizable wall storage, allowing you to organize and access your tools and gear efficiently. Made from high-strength polymer, they support up to 75 pounds per linear foot and feature easy installation with visible mounting points. Tile and Masonry Saw. The Tile and Masonry Saw is a versatile tool for cutting tiles, glass, natural and engineered stone, and cement, ideal for renovations and landscaping projects. It features a brushless motor, diamond cutting wheel, adjustable bevels up to 45 degrees, and a 600 milliliter water tank for wet cutting to reduce dust and splintering. Brushcutter. The Brushcutter efficiently clears thick weeds, long grass, and undergrowth with its 26-centimeter tri-arc blade and powerful brushless motor. It features a loop handle, shoulder harness, variable speed trigger, and 2 speed settings for control and comfort. With a fully charged 6 amp-hour battery, it provides up to 40 minutes of runtime or clears up to 800 meters of land. Sweeper Attachment. The sweeper attachment features a 380mm spinning nylon brush to quickly remove dirt, leaves, and debris from hard surfaces and artificial grass. Part of the Expand IT system, it easily attaches to compatible power heads for quick swapping between tasks. Pole Pruner. The Pole Pruner attachment features a 10-inch chain and brushless motor that cuts branches up to 200 millimeters thick at 6.5 meters per second. Its automatic oiler, 30-degree angled head, and side access chain tensioning make pruning easier and safer. The branch hook allows you to grab and lower cut material efficiently. Power Scrubber Range. Say goodbye to stubborn grime. The Power Scrubber range blasts through dirt with powerful motors and interchangeable heads, from tiles to upholstery. Its cordless, ergonomic design keeps cleaning comfy and effortless. Who knew scrubbing could feel this easy? Your stains won't stand a chance. Window Vacuum. The window vacuum makes cleaning windows, mirrors, splashbacks, shower screens, and glass balustrades quick and easy. Its spray bottle with microfiber pad applies cleaning solution, while the combined squeegee and suction head removes dirty water in one motion for a streak-free finish. Hedge Trimmer. The Hedge Trimmer offers a lightweight electric solution for precise hedge shaping and trimming. Its 40-centimeter blade and 14-millimeter cut capacity provide control and efficiency, while the fixed rear handle with 2-point safety ensures safe operation. Pressure Washer Kit. The Pressure Washer Kit provides a portable, high-pressure cleaning solution for cars, bikes, decking, paving, and outdoor furniture. Its brushless motor delivers up to 2,030 psi with 3 selectable modes for soap application, gentle rinsing, or maximum cleaning power. The included 6 amp-hour battery and 4 amp charger offer reliable power and detailed status monitoring. Impact Wrench. The Impact Wrench delivers 450 Newton-meters of breakaway torque for quickly loosening and tightening nuts and bolts, including wheel nuts. Its 4-mode brushless motor provides precise control with speed settings from 850 to 2,800 RPM and an assist mode for pre-tensioning. Compact and lightweight at 1.2 kilograms, it's easy to use in tight spaces and overhead. Angle Grinder. The Angle Grinder delivers 9,000 RPM for cutting, grinding, shaping, and polishing materials like metal, stone, and timber. It features a soft start for better control, adjustable auxiliary handle, 2-in-1 guard, and anti-kickback protection for safer operation. Tool-free disc and guard adjustments make changes quick and easy, while line lockout prevents accidental starts during battery swaps. Wet and Dry Vac Messy Workshop, Dusty Garage. Meet your new best friend, the 1,500-watt Wet and Dry Vacuum. With a 30-liter tank and M-Class plus HEPA 12 filters, trapping 99.9% of dust, it keeps your space spotless. And when it's full, the red LED tattles and the self-cleaning mode handles the dirty work. Garden Cultivator. The Garden Cultivator is designed to prepare garden beds, aerate soil, and mix in fertilizer with ease. Its pick tines break up compacted soil, while the 3-speed motor and worm drive gearbox deliver power and efficiency for various soil conditions. The adjustable width and pivoting guard make it easy to work around plants and clear debris. That's our quick look at 20 new RYOBI tools. Don't forget to subscribe to the Chop Busters for more tool updates and reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting releases.